Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about select a statement in Oracle database. So at here currently I'm using escort to schema and here using dot for Oracle. So I want to select a statement. So it is used to retrieve the records from one or more tables in Oracle database. So this is the definition about to select a statement and here is the syntax. So at here select, so this is the expression. So it means you have to give at your column name and from tables. So which tables you are going to use. So at here you have to specify. And where condition is the optional part with select statement. So at your first point is select all fields from one table. So for this we have to use the query or select a star from and give the table name. So I'm going to give empty table. Now let's execute that. So see at here, all the records and columns are displaying from empty table by using select statement. And here a star is indicating wildcard. So it means it will display all the columns at here with records. Now here after, if you wanna use the where clause. So for this, let's use where clause here. And if you want to filter some records, so I'm going to apply where clause on dpt number. So see at here, so I'm going to use at here dpt number equal to 10. Dpt number equal to 10. So this will filter only dpt 10 records. So first let's select all the records and records from the emp table. Hereafter applying filter condition. So dpt number. So when dpt number here or 10 equal to 10. So this row that display hereafter 20 equal to 10. So this is condition is not true. So this row won't display. Now hereafter let's execute that. So see at here only dpt10 records it's displaying. So this is the thing. Now here after the next point is, so if you wanna select only some individual columns, so you can also do that by using or select a statement. Right here, next is select individual field. So select individual fields. Now here after let's use add here or select a statement. Select a statement. So you can select any one columns whatever you like. So I'm going to select add here MP number. Now here after ename and next cell column or from the table name EMP. Now if you execute this query, so I'm getting the error message. The reason I forget comma. So see at here, it's now displaying all three columns because I have given EMP number, ename and cell column. Now here after if you wanna use at your where clause, so you can also do that. So I wanna display. So I wanna apply at your sal where clause on sal. So if salary is greater than 2000, so that record that display at here, let's use. So see at here, it's all sal. So sal greater than 2000. So here 6000 greater than 2000, it's okay. 2975 greater than 2000, it's okay. So that here this row it's displaying. So this the things here. So you can select by using select statement all the columns by using a star, and if you wanna select some particular column, so you can give the name at here. After that, that column will display on the here. Now here after if you wanna combine multiple tables, so you can multiple table records. So you can also use select statement. So at here right select a star and here after from. So first I'm going to show you EMP table records. Here execute that. It's all displaying EMP table. Now here after if you display DPT table records. So here it's also displaying DPT table records. So this is the part here EMP and this is the part of DPT. Now here after if you combine one more column. Sorry, one more table. So you can also do that here. Let's combine add a cell grade table. So let's write add a cell grade table. Now execute that. See at here, it's also displaying here cell grade. So this is the part of EMP. So this is the part of DPT and this is the part of cell grade. So by using select a statement, so we can select multiple tables fields. And here, this is the important point. Select a statement is to use to retrieve records from the one or more table in an Oracle database. So that's it about this video. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.